Projects begin with a vision to create something new, something better. They're fueled by inspiration and realized through thoughtful planning, creativity, and hard work. NTP Stag's SMART program helps customers realize their retail vision. We transform empty spaces into beautiful, customer-friendly stores that improve the shopping experience and operation efficiency. We deliver real-world sales and profit growth strategies to retailers across North America. After more than 20 years of managing hundreds of installations, we have become the industry's leading store set and design team. The more projects we do, the smarter we get. The smarter we get, the better positioned we are to help our customers grow. That's what sets SMART apart from other programs: experience, a passion to succeed, and a willingness to go the extra mile to deliver solutions that our customers need. Just as every store owner, retail market, and vision is different, so too are our projects. While they may share common components, each project we work on is specifically tailored to the needs of the customer. Large or small, new store or store reset, we apply the same thoughtful diligence and creative problem solving to deliver store installations that leave our clients and their customers impressed.
When we decided to build a new store, there's literally hundreds, if not thousands, of decisions need to be made, from the store color, the design, the architecture, all those things, and it can be overwhelming when you're trying to do it by yourself. So we met with Val and the SMART team early on, and they give us really good guidance on what would work, what wouldn't, what would really bring our vision to life. Months and months before the actual store set is when the real work probably took place that allows you to have the result that we have here today.
The front end of any project is truly exciting for us. It's a collaborative effort that establishes a level of trust and understanding that is so important to working together. We learn a lot about what our customers are trying to accomplish, and then we apply our project management and store design experience to help them achieve it. It definitely adds a dimension to the project that makes it feel more real for us. It's no longer simply an idea and lines on paper. It's when things really start taking shape.
Building a store is like building a house. You won't know how it feels until you actually step into it. You may not realize that moving something 6 inches or adding a shelf would make a huge difference. I've been impressed with the SMART team's ability to take feedback on the fly and implement the changes requested while keeping the project on schedule. That kind of flexibility is important to me and made me feel engaged throughout the whole process.
SMART projects are built around the needs of the customer. NTP Stag provides design consulting and installation services for new stores and store resets that include store layout, fixture recommendations, color scheme and palettes, signage, environmental element recommendations, inventory selection, displays, point of sale integration, installation.
Our cafeteria approach to the service menu allows us to develop the best solution for virtually every store set challenge. And because we manage the installation process on site with our own team, we're fast and we can be responsive to change requests that come up during the process.
I actually was scheduled to be out of town during the store set, and it was kind of exciting to leave on Monday early afternoon and come back Thursday and basically see a whole store done. They come in, work hard, make it look great when they leave. I don't know that we could have ever done that on our own. I know it wouldn't look as good as it does today if we tried.
From bare floors to open doors, NTP Stag's SMART team can be counted on to deliver professional consulting and installation services for retailers of virtually any size. If you're considering opening a new store or contemplating a remodel of an existing space, ask your NTP Stag sales consultant about our SMART program and find out how we build stores that sell more.